100 meter, ne?
Not 100 meters, it's 100 yards.
I'll get these out of your way. Uncover your scope so it doesn't get, make sure it's got all of it. You got you're going for the number 8. Yeah, you're on the right. You see those black dots?
Oh, wait. Oh, God.
Huh?
I forgot my ear thingies.
Yeah, I'll get your ears on. Get focused on it.
Daddy, can you put these on my ears, please?
Huh?
Can you put these on my ears, please?
Okay.
Maybe hurry. Okay.
There you go. Alright, you going for number? You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah. I'm not seeing it. Right there.
Huh?
What do you think?
It's good.
You already shoot it?
Yep. Is that the light trigger or the heavy trigger?
Light.
Okay. Let's try it again. We may need to adjust it since that thing. Going for 8.
Oh, God. Where'd it hit?
Crap.
We may be way off of that scope.
Yeah.